So guys, this is my Fireteam. It's now going through evolution phase 3. It started off with a Mojave EXB rolling chassis. I actually bent that in the last video, so I've put a new chassis on it. It's an Arrma Racing chassis, 7075, much tougher than the EXB stamped 7075, whatever that is, super weak chassis. I've got the Arrma Racing top brace, which is more like a T-brace, similar to what's on a sledge. I switched over the front and rear shock towers, very similar, to be honest, to the EXB ones, but just to be a bit matching. And I've also upgraded the links here. You can see the steering links. We've got GPM links in the front and back. These are super beefy. I've not really tuned it that much, but also the pièce de résistance is the Max6 G2. It will run on 8S. I've got it on 6. It was a bit slow last time, but also I think my pinion was catching on the motor mount. Had a few little teething problems on the first run, so now I think I've stuck a 19-tooth pinion on there. And I was checking the metrics on the G2 when I was testing it last night. It'll spin up to 75,000 RPM. So this thing should be a rocket, and we're about to find out because I've got the GPS hooked up, and we're going to speed test it. Okay guys, so we got a fresh pack, we've got a 19-tooth pinion, we got the Hobby Wing G2. GPS is go. Oh my god. It's a rocket. It just gets there so fast. I feel like I can gear it up way higher. Heard how quickly it gets there. Ridiculous. I need to lift the front wheels up. Let's bring it in and check the stop, read. So guys, 50 mile an hour, but it's getting there so fast. I just feel like I can whack a huge pinion on it, and maybe I should, and see how it goes. Even to the point it's not hot because the fan just turned itself off. It's bananas. It's 6S, it's crazy. I can't believe. Can't believe that it's only 50 mile an hour for 19-tooth pinion. The top speed comes up so fast, the acceleration is just brutal. Car is just bananas. It's horizontally crazy. Do one more. One more run, but I can't believe that. Only 50? I thought I'd go way bigger on the pinion. I think I'm going still like 20, 23 on the pinion. But having said that, at 50 mile an hour, oh my god, the amount of rocks that it's spraying up, and like just the balance of it and the power. God forbid what this will do on 8S. It is nuts on 6. So I've got one more car to speed test. I can't believe it. I love this car though now. It is rock solid. It is a beast. On 6S. So if I mess around with the battery tray and make it take 8, you're gonna be in the la la land. Oh! Durability test. So guys, that big accident there, my camera, the battery keeps overheating, but we popped off a rod end. So that was some damage from that accident, thankfully. Don't hope nothing inside is broken. But that was a big crash and testament to the car's power. My pinion has moved again. Pain in the ass to work out a better solution for that. Okay.